This is a Stunt Drift remote control car. It retails for about $30, and this is what it does.
So you have to turn it on. It makes different sounds. So when you turn it on, it lights up. And then this is one of the controllers. You can also control it with your hand, which I'll show you later. So then you turn the controller. This is what the controller looks like. And here's the car. So it can go forward and backwards. This is the cool thing about it. It can travel. And it can also transform into different ways. It has a mode where it can just go by itself. And it plays music. And then you can control it. So to drive the car, it's different modes. You can also turn off the sound if you don't run it. This is how you control it with your hand. So the controller for it looks like this. So it's the same thing, you turn it on. So you put it on your hand like this, and then you turn it on.
So this is controlling with your hand, going like that, instead of with a remote controller. So you can control it two ways, and it goes by itself as well. Alright, does it do anything else?
Yeah. And it can go up and down like this. And that's what it can do.
And it flashes, and it lights up, and it makes sound. Comes with two controllers.